Hey whales, good morning. Happy Saturday. Let's go over and break down NVIDIA for next week's trading session. Just to give you guys an idea in terms of my trade so far for the month of April, I'm doing quite well, up 26K USD, on pace for about a 300K a year, 69% win rate. Majority of my trades have been across NVIDIA, Tesla, the S&P 500, and I trade these every single day. So very high volume tickers. And then ultimately on the calendar view, for the month, this past week has been fantastic. I ended up every single day in profit. So hopefully I can keep up the momentum for the last 3 days of April here with the Discord group, right? So if you guys want to join, I give my exact entries, target, stop losses, everything there that you need to succeed, right? So whether or not you're a swing trader or a day trader, I give both my ideas here. So come join and we will see you there. All right, so with that said, for NVIDIA, now, the charts are calling for one more leg lower for this C leg, right? One more leg lower. However, because of the fact that there's companies like Palantir, Netflix, Tesla that's starting to make higher highs here, who's to say NVIDIA couldn't do something like this where we actually put in a wave 2 here? Okay, so we would actually pump up a little bit more, and then ultimately come back down for a 3-wave sequence, right, before heading higher for this new bull run, okay? So I wouldn't be surprised if NVIDIA does that, but ultimately, just in case, right, we have to label both paths for now. Now, if I go down to the 30-minute time frame, okay, I'll load this up a little bit. Here we go. So again, you can see from the lows, we have a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, finishing off of a wave 1. And then ultimately, I see 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for A wave, A, B, C for potential B wave, right? So this is the area for B wave that could potentially have this C leg down. Again, there could be a surprise where this could be the wave 2 and we keep going up. And, we don't put in that bearish sequence, and then now we have a 3-leg down before higher like this, okay? So don't be surprised if that happens as well, and I'm leaning more towards that, to be honest, because, the markets are essentially calling for one more wave higher, okay? But ultimately, you can see from the Discord group, right, we longed at $93. We took profits at the wave 3 high. We got perfect entry here as well at 102, took profits at the wave 5 high. And on this low, took 101 for day trade and taking profits here at 110. So we're seeing whether or not NVIDIA can keep pushing higher or we get the C leg. In my opinion, I do think, this makes more sense, but we just have to be aware that the S&P 500, Tesla, they are starting to get a little bit top heavy, guys, right? Be careful of sort of like a wedge formation that could happen. And if that's the case, you'll see sort of something like this, yeah? A deeper retrace before higher. So how are you going to play this? Well, in my opinion, if you're a day trader, again, you would go down to the 1-minute time frames. You would go with the trend. So you would only look for buys and buy the dips on 3, 7, or 11 wave swings towards the downside. And then you would try to keep pushing the price up. Now, if you're a swing trader, in my opinion, the risk to reward isn't good right now. You would wait essentially for a larger dip before going in. So, 2 paths you can take. Again, in my opinion, this looks like a bullish sequence, whether or not the dip comes lower or if we keep going up. You should keep buying the dips, stop losses underneath the invalidation level. So yeah, keep buying the dips for now. I do believe the dips are going to be bought up pretty quickly in the meantime. So I'll keep you guys updated every single day. Until then, again, see you guys in Discord. And yeah, let's see what the markets are going to do for next week.